I think this is a very, prominent message required by youth of this time. Because considering situation, everyone is like, I can't take a break because if I'll take a break, there are so many things which will left behind, and I won't be
No,
able
it's
to.
not easy, Kanchanji. When you do take a break, people do say, "Oh, you don't care about your job then, or you don't care about the position you've been given." And the backlash was strong, even for me, even from people I've worked with. They're like, "Are pagal ho gayi hai kya? Like, take a break now." Then the people who stuck around and supported me are the ones I really value.
Yeah, it's very important. If you have to search something within, or if you have to search yourself, you
Yeah.
have to be very calm inside. You have to be very composite inside. And if you will be a part of that race, I think it is very difficult to understand what your inner self is. Like you said, a little child inside you was actually creeping out, wanted to say something, but you were not able to listen it because of the race. And
Yes.
once you heard her, you got to know that this is not the race which I belong to.
Absolutely. And I'm sure you working in the field of mental health will realize that most of our triggers in our 20s, in our 30s, in our 40s, up to even our 80s, probably till the day we die, is all ingrained from our childhood patterns, which is why it's important. Like, what are you telling your kids? I'm sure it's the same for you. I'm sure it's the same for me. And I realized
Yeah.
that the little Shruti, all of us, the little Kanchan, the little Shruti, they are very aware of what they want. बच्चे कैसे जिद्दी होते हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि उनको क्या चाहिए. They know what they want. And to be able to listen to that inner child in my 30s has been a revelation.
Wow. आई एम वेरी श्योर लाइक आप अभी भी वो छोटी श्रुति को हमेशा अपने अपने जो अभी की करंट श्रुति है विच इज इन आवर थर्टीज उससे आगे ही रखते होंगे एंड दैट हैज गिवन यू अ वेरी पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट एज वेल राइट
I think so because it comes from a place of genuine connection with myself. I just kind of have to close my eyes and say, okay, wait 1 second, what do you want? Forget the world because bachpan mein we don't think if I make this choice, then my boss will think, or my teacher, or my principal. No, it's a choice. And what you have with age is the maturity to know right from wrong. But even in childhood, you know you're not supposed to eat that chocolate because your mom said no. You know? So we always have that meter. So listening to the child is what keeps you excited about life.
yeah excitement is must no matter what age you are into so chocolate always
Yes.
excite no matter what it is.
Yes.
So I think it was a very beautiful conversation, Shruti. You have actually shared so many things. Like everyone is quite aware about these things, but when they hear it from a person whom they admire a lot or whom they idolize a lot, it gives a very positive impact and it gives a very motivational impact as well. So I would really want you to thank you for being such an inspiration and motivation for people who are listening to you.
Oh, thank
Uh,
you. Thank you.
I would want to conclude this session with in your style, like like if we have to conclude whole scenario, what would be, or if you have to conclude your experience in your style, maybe some good lines or something which is very near to you, or a little Shruti would want to share, what it would be.
Well, first of all, I want to say thank you for having me and having me speak today. I love talking about this topic because I think it's important. And I also want to congratulate you and thank you for the amazing work that you do in the field of mental health. And that's wonderful, and we need more people like you.
Thank you
Um,
so much.
what would little Shruti want to say? You know what? Honestly, I would just say I don't have any great words of advice or any special parting gift. But I think this is a difficult time for us collectively, as a species. This is the first time in my lifetime where the whole world is united by one pandemic. And therein, I would say, is you can be united even in misery if you look at the hopeful side of things, if you look at how you can use this opportunity to change. So some people say, oh, things are never going to be the same. And I say, great, let's start new. And I think people can use this time as a time to turn a new leaf, start a new chapter, and really take a new direction. So turn something that's negative into something positive. That's the best I can say.
But we would really appreciate in your style, like if you in your voice, like of course many people would want to listen you as singing some lines for it.
Okay, so I'll sing a song from the Beatles, which I love, which always makes sense, which is sometimes you just have to let things be. So I'm going to sing that for you, okay?
Sure.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. There you go.
Very beautiful. As like seriously, as always, it was a beautiful line. Even I like it in person. So with this, I would like to end this conversation, of course, which was very fruitful and very insightful as well. Like all those who follow you, or like those who want to get something out of their life, in spite of being in a state where they are and they are not vocal about it now, I think they would start talking about it and start addressing the issues which they are facing. And it's always good to love you. That is like the best and the primary thing which everyone should do. So this was again a takeaway for me as well from this whole conversation. Thank you, Shruti, for that. And as I always say, people, please stay happy because happiness is the key. Until and unless you are not happy, no one around you or you yourself are going to achieve anything. So it's like, stay safe, stay happy, and stay strong. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so very much.